What up, y'all? It's me, 3WP Rashad, and today y'all about to see a haircut video. Now I cut 2 different people's heads, but I'm gonna drop the other haircut video like in a couple of days or next week. Also, for my waivers, the green edition has been leaked, but if you didn't see it already, then I'm gonna show it in my next wave video. Besides that, if you're a barber, please criticize my work and tell me what you think of it. Also, please comment a rating from 1 to 10 about how well you think I did on the haircut. If the haircut is very good, say I did a 10, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's a 10 though, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm fresh in the barber game. But if it ain't that good, you know what I'm saying? Let me get like a 2 or 3. Let me know what you think of the haircut. That's basically what I'm saying. Hit the like button, let's boost it for me. Let's boost it. If y'all want more wave videos, more haircut videos, boost the like button. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so now I'm about to do, you want to fade that?
Yeah.
Just fade the sides. Before. I currently have a 1 guard on the clippers. They are all the way closed. I'm going up against the grain, just trying to get a feel for the true length of his hair.
Yeah, I need black shirt. I can't buy no black shirt.
He really asked for a ball fade, but given the fact that I'm a new barber, I started with the guard on and I'm kind of just getting a feel for everything. My number 1 rule is to never mess no one up. I have never messed myself up and I've never messed anyone else up in all of my time of cutting hair. And I've cut a dozen people's heads. At this point, it may seem like I haven't done much, but I really faded it from the 1 guard closed all the way up to the point where the 1 guard is open. I started with the back as far as the point in which I started fading, and now I'm working on the sides and just getting that all together. At this point, I'm kind of comfortable and I'm aware of the length of his hair. I just want to make the bottom part more even so that it can transition much more smooth when I start the final fading effect. This is my first time cutting someone's hair who had the curly top and who fades the sides and the back. So I had a little trouble at the part area, but I got a hold of that by putting the 2 guard on and nicking that way at it to make it even. So I'll chip away at this hair that's right below the part since it's thicker than the rest of the hair that's below the part. And once I get that even to the rest of the hair that's below the part, then I'll start my fading effect. When I say that, I mean a lower fading effect from a lower length instead of from a 1 guard. This technique is just what I came up with as I was going with this. If you are a professional barber, if you have like a better technique than what I did here, please let me know, because it takes me a long time to like finish haircuts compared to like other barbers or my barber, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me know, y'all. Come on, help me out, y'all. Come on, I'm trying to get better at this, man, and y'all gonna help me, and that's the beautiful thing about it. So yeah, drop them comments, barbers. Yo, criticism is welcome. I just did the left side and now it's up to me to complete this right side and get that all even that's below the part. That's that young velvet do-rag. At this point of the haircut, it's a fade with the 1 guard, but he really wanted a ball fade, and so at this point, this is not a good enough fade for him. So I have to take the guard off and start to fade from a lower length. Now, I didn't bald it out from a ball fade, but I did start it with the clippers, no guard, all the way close. So technically, in my opinion, this isn't a ball fade. Let me know what y'all think though, alright? When y'all see the final product. I'm creating my guidelines with the guard all the way closed and making sure that that guideline is kind of even. Once I have this guideline, I'm checking it. And then I want to open my clippers halfway and create another guideline. I'm doing this. That's just a process that I'm doing to get this fading effect. You'll see me chipping away at it. I'm over here trying to create these guidelines and knock them out. I had a little trouble, but you know what I'm saying, I had to adjust my lighting so that I could continue to get the effect that I wanted. Also, I was too focused on getting the camera work put in, and so I just said, you know what, it's taking me too long. I need to focus on the cut, and so that's what I did. I just set the camera back and just started doing my job. The haircut is coming towards a close. Doing my final little touch-ups on the fade, and then he wanted me to do his beard. So I trimmed the beard down a little bit and lined that up just a little bit. I didn't line the mustache up, but I just lined up the beard part. As far as the chin area.
Oh, you don't have to line up,
No?
no, you don't. I mean, if you started, yeah, but...
Oh, yeah, I won't put your hair on that.
No, I was just worried about the beard. I usually don't even touch the front.
Yeah.
Because it's already receding, you know?
Yeah, and you got the long hair, so.
Yeah. Yeah, it drips over, yeah. So it doesn't matter.
That would be bad hell, bro. What time you left yesterday?
Man, yesterday I left at 9 and I got there at 10.
Now I'm over here finishing up the final touches along the lineup as far as on the around the beard area and the back of his head. I'm trying to be extra careful because I know these modified and these GTX clippers right here with the T-blade are extremely sharp, so I'm just making sure my touch is light so I don't end up cutting him or irritating his skin. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing there. I did a lot of practice of haircutting on myself, so I have the techniques and knowledge of how to do it based off of that. Coming to the close of this video, shout out to the mans for letting me cut his hair. You knew he was a little bit cautious, talking about some, yeah, don't touch up the front. You know what I'm saying? I just let that just hang loose. But yeah, y'all, judge the final cut and let me know what y'all think. Scale of 1 to 10. Finished the product right here. We didn't touch up the front lining. We just did the beard part. Look that way for me. Like look all the way over there at the door. Just do a little 360 turnaround. Turn the whole body, like face towards the couch.
Oh yeah, I'm a model now.
Yeah, man.
My bad. I'm gonna redo it.
Before.
What's this?
Final cut.